Right, so to the right hand side there's a new line of miscanthus. There's a lemon balm and there's a miscanthus. So the miscanthus is planted roughly 2 metres apart, diagonal spacing, and it's the carbon source. So this is the development of a carbon garden. Miscanthus gigantus, and then as I'm chopping and dropping the miscanthus over time, I'll put more and more herbs in the mulch and perennial flowers and herbs in the mulch so that it starts really becoming super beautiful. So yeah, I've just put a new line, like there's some bamboo in there and stuff, and and I want to get some meadow flowers, yada yada, so turning a circle bonfire for Christmas, etc. So yeah, again on the right hand side is another layer. So every year I've been coming out. That's the 1, 2, 3, 4th. This is the fourth year of putting miscanthus out, and I'm going to plant fruit trees along this one because I've done it 4 metres between this miscanthus line, 4 metres to there. The other ones were 3 metres diagonal spacing. This is 3 metres. So yeah, and along there I planted some fig trees, and I've got some more black currants and some strawberry guavas. They go really well here. There's some big tupillos planted over there. They're very small, you can't see them. But yeah, so the carbon garden. And to the right hand side there is black currants. And then there's some those little lantern sweet berry things. I keep forgetting their name. Not Chinese gooseberries, the other, are they? Yeah, carbon garden. Yada yada. Diagonal spacing, and then fruit trees all in between there, and then late winter the miscanthus can be chopped and dropped, shredded, and become the mulch for developing soil, holding in moisture, developing more fertility, yada yada. And here, this slot, I'm going to put a greenhouse. I've got some cash, put a bund over there, the main wind southwest comes over by the car. Put a bund, and then put a beautiful greenhouse right here. Carbon garden, slowly. And then over there is the pure sort of beautiful area over there. It's going to be, it's sort of looking for guilds like this, sort of lovely sort of perennial flowers, herbs, guilds with specimen trees, so that there's gorgeous amount of shade. And so there's 3 silk trees over here planted. Well, I'll just have a look at this. I don't know what that tree is there, but it gets quite lovely with a nice flower. And these bamboo are sort of all nice, sort of droopy, willowy ones. And now, so we've got the silk tree guilds. Forgotten nearly every single thing that's in here. Silk tree, feverfew, the lavender, and this type of herby thing, which I don't quite know what it is. But so yeah, the canopy on these silk trees will be, well, they're about 16 metres tall in their full maturity, and they'll touch each other, and it'll be a gorgeous canopy under here. And so I just want to perpetuate perennial herbs and flowers, lots of bee food, insect habitat. I'll have a wee fire here, burn that off. Here's some mushroom compost. And I'm just going to put a lot of echinacea in here. A lot of echinacea, some of the Piet Oudolph sort of flowers. And I've got a whole lot more perennial herbs, perennial grasses to get going. Yeah. Yada yada. Bit by bit. Hobbiton-esque.